Our garden is one of the 12 gardens belonging to SANBI, South African National Biodiversity Institute. We have so much innovation going on. We have so much career enhancement programs going on. Internships, learnerships, and we are taking young graduates in to steer our programs. We have changed so much through a lot of innovation, and we are hoping the young ones are also going to be interested in what we do. You see, in the olden days, schools and institutions used to prepare learners for employment. As long as they get a job, they are good to go. But things have changed since we took this approach, STEAMI approach. We are preparing learners that can think for themselves, that can incorporate what they learn to the outside world, that can practicalize everything. So we see STEAMI as the best vehicle that will steer them into the right direction, allow them to be artistic, allow them to be thinking out of the box, allow them to be very practical. All these children that are being bussed in get to get the better end of the deal. Next year we will be in Secunda. And again, Sasol will be making sure that they finance everything. They bus those learners in. They make sure that the exhibitors are here. They extend invitation to a lot of science centers. And that is why we believe that Sasol is doing their utmost best to reach everyone.